Let's get to the final trade of the day now with pro trader Mike Patton, the head trader at Funder Trading. What is your trade of the day, Mike?
Okay, well, great. Well, I'm still mostly looking for big banks to get into. I mentioned JP Morgan before, but also coming up on my radar right now is Citigroup. Now, of course, we all know about Citigroup. It's one of the biggest banks out there. I believe it's the second biggest in the United States right now. So Citi has some very good fundamentals. Their projected upside targets range anywhere from $54.94 to up to $87, according to the analysts. So I do believe that right now, looking at its current price point of just around $42 a share, it does look like a decent buy, because even at the worst, I don't think anyone believes the stock is worth anything less than $41. So that part's looking really good. Also, with the current banking crisis, the big banks are the big benefactors as large depositors flee smaller banks for fear that one of their other large depositors might withdraw their funds, causing a bank run, resulting in funds being lost because the FDIC can only insure up to $250,000. So to me, that is a really good reason to expect that you're going to see migration of money from smaller banks to large banks. And we've already seen that. It's already happening. The bigger banks have the advantage of having much more influence over policy. They also have a lot more resources. So essentially, if I'm going to take a risk and I'm a large depositor, it would be better for me to put the money in a bigger bank where maybe it's not 100% guaranteed, but I know the government will probably step in to save those banks. So therefore, Citi looks like a decent opportunity. Now, there's still risk. I would say that if the stock is trading, I would say anywhere near 37 down to $35 a share, I would reconsider my opinion. As of right now, it's trading on the lower end, and that's a direct consequence of this current banking turmoil. So I believe that's created a small opportunity, where as long as we're getting it at the right timing, these stocks could be fairly valuable, acquisitions going into the future. So I definitely see the potential upside for Citi, at least to maybe $55, $56 a share within the next year.
So good. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.